Hi, I'm Andy, and welcome to Ask Andy AI.
You've probably heard a lot about artificial intelligence lately. And maybe you're wondering, what exactly is AI?
The good news is, AI is simpler than most people think.
AI is software designed to do tasks that normally require human intelligence.
Answering questions, writing emails, solving problems, and analyzing information.
But AI isn't magic. It isn't alive. And it isn't some scary robot.
AI is simply a tool, a powerful one.
You already use AI every day, often without realizing it. Search, video recommendations, maps, and spam filters all use AI. Today, AI can help you work faster, learn faster, and solve problems. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to know how to use it. My goal is to make AI practical, simple, and easy to understand. Welcome to Ask Andy AI, and please like, share, and subscribe.